Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. You won't believe this Shiba Inu Coin price prediction. $2 overnight? Shib News. Cryptocurrency prices on the 27th of August declined, with Bitcoin trading below the $21,000 level. The world's largest and most popular cryptocurrency traded more than 6% lower at $20,298. The global crypto market cap today was above the $1 trillion mark, even as it was down over 6% in the last 24 hours at $1.02 trillion, as per CoinGecko. In this video, we will talk about you won't believe this Shiba Inu coin price prediction, $2 overnight. Shiba News. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. On the 27th of August, Ether, the coin linked to the Ethereum blockchain and the second largest cryptocurrency, plunged more than 10% to $1,509. Ether had been outperforming the broader crypto market in recent weeks amid optimism over a pending network software upgrade called the Merge. Earlier this week, the Ethereum Foundation released new information about the upcoming upgrade, indicating that all the preparations are going smoothly. The announcement confirmed that the upgrade will be completed between September 10th and 20th. Meanwhile, Dogecoin price today was trading over 7% lower at $0.06, whereas Shiba Inu was down nearly 10% at $0.000013. Other crypto prices today performance also declined as BNB, Chainlink, ApeCoin, XRP, Uniswap, Tron, Litecoin, Stellar, Binance USD, Polygon, Solana, Polkadot, Avalanche, Tether prices were trading with cuts over the last 24 hours. Cryptocurrencies mirrored global markets and declined after Jerome Powell warned against prematurely loosening policy. Bitcoin settled into the lower end of the narrow range it has traded in the past 2 weeks. It has traded in a range of around $22,000 to $20,000 since last Friday. Powell, the Federal Reserve Chairman, signaled the U.S. Central Bank is likely to keep raising interest rates and leave them elevated for a while to stamp out inflation. He pushed back against any idea that the Fed would soon reverse course. Cryptos have struggled through the first half of the year as the Federal Reserve hiked rates to combat stubbornly high inflation. Following the collapse of a major pair of tokens, some cryptocurrency lenders froze customer withdrawals and several crypto firms have cut jobs. Bitcoin has recovered from its mid-June lows, but number 2 crypto Ether has done even better amid enthusiasm about its future merge upgrade. The second largest crypto meme coin, Shiba Inu, saw a surge in burning rate and asset price on Thursday amid widespread losses in the digital asset market as market leaders like Bitcoin and Ethereum took a breather. ShibBurn portal has spread the word that roughly 1/3 of a billion Shiba Inu was sent to unspendable wallets, raising the Shib burn rate. According to a tweet from an active burner of Shiba Inu tokens, part of this amount was eliminated via Amazon and the new Shib burn portal. Shib, the 12th largest cryptocurrency, has a market capitalization of $8.01 billion and currently trades at around $0.00001439. According to data from CoinMarketCap. Shib's upwards price action is primarily a result of a spike in the token's burn rate earlier this week and expectations around the launch of Shibarium. Nearly 110 million Shib tokens have been burned over the past 24 hours, and 40% of the total Shib supply has been burned to date, as per data from ShibBurn. ShibaSwap, the popular DEX platform by the Shiba Inu team, has also seen its user base grow, per data from Dune Analytics. As news of the brand new digital payment method wasn't enough to drive excitement and a positive outlook back to the once globally trending Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, the breaking information was supported by other relevant news. Shiba Inu has gained traction by becoming an increasingly active cryptocurrency spot trading option on globally recognized centralized exchanges. Shib has been added to an increasing number of centralized crypto exchanges in a particularly tough season for the digital assets market. The Shib token economy has benefited from a potential increase in daily trade volume by becoming a viable option for an increased number of traders and investors via listings on globally recognized CEXs. All recent SHIB news suggests the Shiba Inu decentralized community has grown closer to its goal of distinguishing itself as a viable decentralized project relevant to the financial and global payment sectors. The Visa burn card and recent exchange listings offer clear evidence of what the Shiba Inu team has been busy working towards. The SHIB token value has increased following the news, while many other cryptocurrencies retraced and experienced pullbacks behind the Federal Reserve's announcement of a 0.75% rise in inflation. It is almost unanimously agreed by all experts and Shiba Inu holders that the new Visa burn card enhanced burn mechanism largely attributed to the new payments card and increased listings are all good news. However, the Shiba Inu team and community have publicly expressed their focus on developing the ecosystem and Shiba Inu token utilization scheme even further. This great news can help the token surge up to $2. This seems to be the beginning of future developments for Shiba Inu. As the market continues in a relatively day-to-day outlook amidst even more interest and inflation rate uncertainty and other factors affecting the volatility of all markets, the faithful SHIB army has expressed clear expectations to progress even in what many are calling a full-on bear market and incoming, possibly not even the start of, the largely anticipated crypto winter. The biggest developments are coming up this year and have the potential to explode this coin. The Shibarium and the Shibburst are two major Shiba Inu developments that crypto analysts say will be a game changer for this project. Shibarium, a Layer 2 scaling solution, is widely anticipated because of the impact it is going to have on this coin. Shibarium is a scaling protocol designed to scale Ethereum, the network that Shiba Inu runs on. With the launch of this scaling protocol, the Shiba Inu project will significantly reduce the amount of gas users have to pay when transacting SHIB. Ethereum whales have been shedding some weight in the last couple of weeks. This time, their focus has rested on the popular meme coin Shiba Inu, which continues to boast a very active community. But the price has refused to follow the same direction. Following the downtrend, Ethereum whales, which have always seemed to be the biggest supporter of the cryptocurrency, have reduced their bags by a large margin. At the height of the Shiba Inu rally, the total SHIB holdings of top Ethereum whales had crossed a collective $1 billion. This had lasted for a while as investors held on to their tokens, believing the digital asset would cancel another zero. But this was never the case. A few months after, Ethereum whales had begun to shed their holdings. We saw their total collective bag drop to around $500 million sometime in the last 2 months. Despite this, many whales continue to hold, even adding to their positions. Presently, the total SHIB holdings of the largest Ethereum whales sit at a little over $160 million. This means that over the last month, the whales have reduced their holdings by more than $300 million. As shared on the official SHIB Twitter handle, the Singapore-based MEXC exchange has announced a price pool of 5,555 BON for eligible users participating in the Sign Up, Deposit, and Trade event in association with Bone ShibaSwap. In January of this year, MEXC Global added Bone support, becoming one of the first exchanges to list the Shiba Inu ecosystem governance token. As reported by You Today, the top crypto exchange has also recently expanded support for Shiba Inu by launching a USDC pair. In July 2021, MEXC announced that the Shiba Inu could now be traded on its platform, becoming one of the first exchanges to list the Shiba Inu early. With less than 65,000 bones left for cultivation, the enthusiasm for the property still remains. In June, the Shiba Inu community voted overwhelmingly in favor of stopping all bone farming when the 230 million mining tokens were reached. The remaining 20 million tokens were intended to be saved for Shibarium validators. Bone supply is still limited to 250 million tokens. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.